Hello, my name is Ashley Vermillion, and I am a junior in the Marriage and Family Studies program at BYU, Idaho. And I am here to tell you about the career that I found for my Family 150 class. The job that I picked was a CPS conservatorship worker, and this position is with the Department of Family and Protective Services in Texas for the Texas Health and Human Services System. It's in Livingston, Texas, and this job is 40 hours a week, working days. However, this job requires availability to travel to and attend community board meetings after 5 p.m. And this job also has a rotating on-call schedule, which varies from day to day. The job requires the applicant to work in an emotion-filled environment, which may include home visits in high crime areas and involve exposure to unsanitary living conditions. And these would also be typical stressors of the job. You have a high emotional tie to the job and to the clients that you work with. Typical benefits for this type of job would include a health insurance package and 401k benefits. Common tasks for this job include providing ongoing services to children in substitute care to meet specific needs by using appropriate resources to move toward reuniting family or making other permanent plans for care of children. This also initiates appropriate legal action and or testify in court to achieve protection or permanent placement plans for children. Another task for this job is to document case records by completing forms, narratives, and reports to form a written record for each client. You develop and maintain effective working relationships between CPS staff and law enforcement officials, judicial officials, legal resources, medical professionals, and other community resources. This job would also require the applicant to investigate reports of abuse or neglect to children and assess the current or future risk to children by interviewing parents, family members, and others. Also including interviewing and examining children, assessing the home environment, and gathering pertinent information from other sources. This job requires graduation from an accredited 4-year college or university. That's the basic minimum requirement. If there is experience, you obviously are paid more, and if there is more education, you are also compensated with your salary. Starting salary is about $32,328 a year, and it goes up to $43,020 a year. This position is responsible for providing CPS to children in substitute care, and this position interacts routinely with children and families, representatives from various organizations, Texas Department of Family and Protective Services, and the general public. And that's all.